evening, ma'am. This is the robot I have made. I have named it the forklift. The forklift has a lever which moves the gears to make the lift go up and down. After that, whatever packages hold on, then it will move it up and down. The gears over here will make this go down and up to make this go down and up. The lever controls them all. While controlling them, it can move the package and all. This gear, it can move it too. The DC motor moves this little spiral gear in the bottom. It gives a connection to the big gear here. Then it gives a connection to these small black gears. Then it will start moving these. After giving command from this one. After giving command from the lever, that is my video. This is my code. This is the code. I'm going to be playing the code. It goes down and it goes up. It goes up. Then it goes down. Then it goes